Well, here we are. It's almost Christmas, and I ordered this box on the night before Thanksgiving. I guess Thanksgiving at 12:01 a.m. or whatever. This is a Black Friday deal, and I got a couple boxes, and they were all shipped separately. And now here it is. It's almost Christmas. It's the 19th December. I've been practicing patience, as my Zen teaching has instructed me to. And now we're finally going to open this box, just like it's Christmas morning, even though it's not. And this is, kind of a gift for myself. So let's see what's in here. It's been so long. I mean, I don't forget, but this is it's kind of exciting. Instead of just opening everything all at once, like when I got it. Targets. Alright. So this is a laptop backpack. Let's check this guy out. I think this was on sale for $9.99. See what we got here. Alright. Big pocket in the front. Well, actually here. You got this guy here for the quick access pocket. This pocket in the front. Looks like you can put a couple pens in there. Maybe stash some business cards or something in there. It's not big enough for a cell phone pocket. At least not my cell phone. And then the main compartment for the computer, and then some padding here, a couple dividers, put a folder or something in there, I guess. So yeah, the straps feel like they're padded, pretty comfortable and adjustable. So $10 laptop backpack, that's not too bad. Okay. Oh, I got an a 325 mouse. It's kind of smaller than, I don't know, we'll have to play around with this. I'll do a video on this, whether or not I like it or not. But again, this was $9.95. It's $10. And I really got it because it, I guess that must be already loaded inside it. I guess the battery life is like, they said like 3 years or something like that. That says 18 months here. Okay. And then the other thing was the scrolling was supposed to be like amazingly fast. Like the fast scrolling was supposed to be like just zip, 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 zip. So I have some documents that are pretty many pages long. So that'll come in handy. So that's the next thing that I got. But here's a whole lot of packaging. This is the main thing here. I got a new camcorder, and this was like I think it was $159, and you got a $20 gift card. Like, so basically, or something like that, or maybe it was $179 with a $20 gift card. So yeah, it's a Sony HDR CX405. So you can expect a unboxing video specifically for this item in the future, and of course I will do demos, and we'll do reviews on that as well. So there's the unboxing. There's the leftover Black Friday unboxing, and that's my my little Christmas gifts to myself. So really great deals, and I'm really excited about all that. Oh, by the way, the camera that you're watching this on, in case you're a camera buff, is actually a Canon. So I'm thinking that I have a couple other Sony cameras. They're older that I got open box, and they're really nice, pretty high quality. But they're getting old, and I'm sure they're gonna poop out pretty soon. So this is probably gonna replace one of those, or it might become my principal camera, depending on the quality for these YouTube videos. So if you have any comments or suggestions about any of this stuff, I appreciate it. going into it. It'd be nice to know if there's any secrets or tips that I should be looking out for. I appreciate you guys out there and your support. And if you want to support the channel, a subscription would be fantastic, because we're getting up to that point where Google might pay me again if I get enough subscribers. So that would really help. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make it a good one, guys.